Hi there, my name's Jeff. This is our big Fexac universal mill, 3-phase. It's got the horizontal and also the vertical head on it. The vertical head has got one swinging axis or revolving axis, and it's also got the wee swing out support bracket, so you just unbolt it and swing it out. You don't detach it from the machine, it stays there. It's got a couple of horizontal arbors. It is missing the arbor supports, but I'm going to have a look and see if we've got any of those. I think it's NT50 on both. It's got it's a really heavy duty mill. It's got a big long table, but the big thing about it is from here to here, which is that table support, is really long and heavy duty compared from a lot of mills. So if you wanted to sit something heavy on it, you know, this certainly support here is big. I'm yet to undo those 4 bolts because I suspect that this table will swivel, so I'll do that and find out and put that on the specs. It came in very tidy condition, out of a working situation. I don't think it's had a lot of use. It's in really good condition, and very tidy, and it runs really quiet. It's got the rapid and the feeds on all the axes. It's come with a big vice. It's got coolant, and I don't know if yep, that's the coolant running there. You can hardly hear it, but it's on, off, on, off. I haven't put fluid in it, but that sounds to be working just fine, and all the nozzle and valve and everything looks tidy there. Alright, well, we'll start it up. I might start it and show you through. So that's the hydraulic pump running there, driven by the electrical motor. So we'll just try it in its rapids first. So that's rapiding in and rapiding out. So it's got a really smooth, quiet action. You know, it works like it's done very little work. So that's in and out. We can try the table going to your left, rapiding to your right. As you'll hear, you know, it's really quiet, runs very smoothly. So that's the table. Now we can go to the up and down, rapiding up and rapiding down. So that's the knee, rapiding up, rapiding down, up. Okay, so that's all the rapids. Now we can put it into a feed gear. Now I've got it in the feeds, so that's feeding reasonably quickly. I have tried it through the different feed ranges and they're working fine, so that's reasonably quickly feeding up. You may not be able to see that. And feeding down on the knee, so that's going down. And feeding in. So again, that's going, selecting nicely and working smoothly, feeding out. And traversing to the table to the left. And to the right. Okay, so that's pretty much all of the feeds and rapids. They're all working really nice, smooth and quietly. Now we'll power up the vertical head. It's a Star Delta motor. You can hear it start and then kick into the next gear. So that's heading one direction, I'll stop that. And the other direction, so that's clockwise. So yeah, you've got your forward and reverse there. So let's speed it up now in one direction, and I'll show you that in the other direction. So as you can hear, it ticks over really quietly. Okay, we'll change gear again. Slower. So again, very nice and quiet. So I'll try and get it in its fastest gear, which will be I think that will be its very fastest gear. I'll just do that collar nut up. Yeah, I think that'll be its very fastest gear, which will be 1400 RPM. Oh no. No, I'm at 65. Oh yeah. Okay, let's try that. Yeah, so that'll be its fastest gear, 1400. Beautiful, quiet. I'll show you in the other direction. There's a bit of background noise going on. Okay, here's the other direction. Yeah, so there's both directions there. Oil levels are good, general conditions really good. I'll have a look and see if that top table does swill. It's a very, very heavy duty mill that would suit someone that needed the big long table with the heavy duty long supports under it, as opposed to a lot of mills that'll only have a shorter support under that table. So yeah, good heavy duty mill in very, very good condition, and everything seems to be working really well.